If you're like me, you love custom headlights, but not everyone has the time or the tools to build them, so you might look into something like a pre-made assembly. That's where the GTR Lighting Carbide headlights come into play. If you've heard of GTR Lighting, I'm sure you've seen their LED headlight bulbs, taillight bulbs, reverse lights. They're the king of plug-and-play lighting. So naturally, when we heard them coming out with assemblies, we had to take a look. The GTR Lighting Carbide series headlights and taillights are coming out for many popular makes and models of vehicles. We've got the F-150, got the C6 Corvette, we've got the Dodge Ram, 4Runner, Tacoma. It seems like more and more are coming out each month. For the majority, they have headlights, but they are starting to come out with Ram taillights like you see here. They have red lens and they offer a cool smoke lens as well, so you have different flavors. Let's dive into some of the cool features that make these headlights and taillights. You have a really crisp DRL, which is my personal favorite. It adds to the look of your vehicle, it makes it look nice and modern. It really drives home a strong facelift for your vehicle. The DRL is super intense on these headlights, and the really cool feature, turn your low beams on, the DRL actually dims down 50%, making it street legal. I'm a turn signal freak myself, so that's one of the big features I look for in a headlight, and the Carbide series blow this out of the water. Different models have different styles of turn signals. The Tacoma has a solid blinking turn signal, really crisp and modern, it looks fantastic on these trucks. And then the C6 headlight has a really nice sequential turn signal, so it switches from white to an amber, and it has a really cool animation that runs up the headlight. Looks fantastic on those cars. The Ram truck model has a really cool sequential turn signal as well, and it's something I know you're gonna love when you put it on your truck and fire it up for the first time. So if you're upgrading headlights, you're wanting brightness, and these things don't lack any of it. The LED projectors on these headlights are sure to light up the road far better than any stock assembly you've ever seen. They have a really intense cutoff line on them, so you're gonna have all the light on the road where you need it, including the hot spots, off the left and right, all the backfill below the cutoff line, and you're not gonna blind a single driver. Much like new vehicles coming off the lots today, these headlights are an OE LED style headlight, meaning they are fully plug and play on the rear. There's nothing to replace on the back side of these. Turn signals, low beam, high beam, side markers, it's all integrated into one plug and play system. Stock assemblies come with a 1-year warranty from the factory. GTR Lighting doubles this to a 2-year warranty. Some of the models of these GTR Lighting headlights have LED projectors, and others like this Tacoma headlight has an OEM reflector style, just like the newer Toyota LED headlights. Whether it's reflector or projector, the color in these headlights really brings a nice modern touch to the front end of your vehicle. It gives you that bright white color versus that OEM yellow dingy color. Nobody wants that yellow dingy color. You want the bright white, you want the cool modern color. That's what GTR Lighting delivers with the Carbide series headlights. The really cool part about it is the lens is clear. There's no tinting to it at all. It's a piano black finish on the back of the bezel, which really allows that blacked out look without affecting any of your output. So you retain full intensity of your light output without losing any of the cool factor. The whole reason you're watching this video is you want something brighter. That's what we're gonna dive into right now. Let's dive into the Tacoma headlight performance. When you shine this headlight 25 feet away at a wall and measure with a digital lux meter, you're gonna pull up that the low beam on these headlights is 173% brighter than the factory low beam. OEM low beam is gonna be 230 lux, and the Carbide series headlight bumps it up massively to 630 max lux. When you flip on the high beam, the OEM lux reading is 630 lux. The Carbide series headlight blows it up to 820 maximum lux at 25 feet. And that's just the reflector Tacoma model. When you go over and look at a C6 Corvette, the F-150, or the Dodge Ram headlights, you can see a 2 to 5 times increase in just the low beams. That's not taking into account the width, the height, or the hot spots in these beam patterns. So if you're not trying to dive into all that custom fab work with retrofitting, you want something nice and easy that you can plug straight into your vehicle, do not sleep on the Carbide series headlights. The quality, the looks, the price, the performance, GTR Lighting knocked these headlights out of the park. In classic GTR Lighting fashion, much like their LED headlight bulbs, reverse lights, they are at the top of their game, and the Carbide series headlights and taillights are right there too.